to use than a pendulum. And the way you charge it, if you have a look at your fingers, your base chakra, earth element, this is water element, fire element, air element. And thumb is akasha. So base chakra, navel chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart for air, and akasha. So these 5 fingers connect elementally. And the ones that Baden put in the book are incorrect. So I would look at using those. Now your air element finger on the top is what you're using. And when you look at your joints, you have from the physical earth to the astral to the mental to the akasha. So resting this between the mental and the akasha gives you a rather deep type of universal air element that gets put into the device. When you're doing your rituals, I would very, very, very clearly look at earth, water, fire, and air and akasha, and work your rituals around the element relationship of the finger and the zones of the fingers for the physical, astral, and mental. It works incredibly well. All right, so this is made by, I believe, a German company. I don't know the name of it. It was about 75 euro, but it's pretty easy to make yourself. The ring on the front is important. Use a ring. Don't just put a heavy object on the tip of a piano wire or whatever type of wire this is. It's quite stiff. This has a couple of screw points so that you can pack it away, but you could just have one piece. And I often thought of just getting a piece of stiff wire with a wooden ring on it and then drilling a hole in a crystal and making a crystal for the handle for the device, and then just grinding a rounded out part for my finger to sit to balance the whole device on. Excellent investment and much better than the pendulum. And I used the pendulum for over a decade. Actually, I used the pendulum for 25 years. And the moment I had this, it was just so much easier. And even after you've developed your clairvoyance and clairaudience, clairvoyance and clairaudience isn't that effective on communicating with you. If you want to connect to body consciousness, this is the best way to do it. If you want to connect to your own astral subconscious, this is the best way to do it. If you want to connect to higher aspects of your own spirit, this is the best way to do it. You don't clairvoyantly talk to yourself or clairaudiently talk to yourself or through feeling talk to yourself. Use a device like this